currently at this restaurant called Sophia's, picking up a couple of slices of pizza. But we went to another restaurant in the same location, and we got some subs. Leia, you're supposed to be controlling him. Oh my gosh. We gotta get ready to give him some French fries or something. So he can eat. We forgot the baby stroller. We packed the stroller up, but we missed the step of putting it in the car somehow. Yeah. And we didn't put the stroller in the car. Oh, it's more. Come on, let's walk down.
There's nothing.
Let's walk down here.
You're looking at ice cream, Mom?
Who's looking at ice cream? Where?
It's the ice cream shop.
Oh, we can look over there. Oh, this is good. See, look at this color. Good color. Oh, they got hats in here. Yeah. Ramir, come on, put it back. Oh, let's go down here. Oh, there's not. Oh, they got a little gym. Oh, oh, this is Pure Fitness. Oh, these. Okay, this is bathrooms here. Yeah.
Come on, Mary.
This is the food spot that we are at. Oh, they walked around. Oh, yeah, they're over there. Hat place.
Oh, yeah, it looks like a cat.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am. Yeah. That's the kids. Yeah. All right.
All right, this. Ramir, you all right?
Yeah, I think so.
It's a parking lot back here.
Yeah,
Huh?
it's a parking lot there. Yeah, so you guys, we just made it to Jolly Rogers. We're going to take the kids to the racetrack so they can ride on their go-karts. We left the stroller at home, so we're going to be we're going to be carrying this little baby around. This is his first time at an amusement park. So we're going to see how this goes. So let's take a look at what's going on around us. They are on the go-karts now. Everybody's on it but me and Ashir. We're the only two that gotta sit out. As always, every time I have a baby, I'm the one who gets to miss out on all the fun. Another year. They're on there now. Everybody. Let's see who wins. Leia. Go. Go, go. Leia, hurry up, girl, hurry up. Leia is all slow. Leia, oh my gosh. Leia is last. This girl is in last place. Leia is last, y'all. Mia's first. Where is Leia? Oh my gosh. Leia. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. There go Mia. There go Ron. Here come father and son. Look, father and son. And look at Leia. Leia's not even up here yet. Leia is not even up here. Look how long. Let's count how long it takes for her to get up here. Look. They all went around the whole roundabout. She is still. Look, she's just now coming. Look at her. Y'all. Leia.